Oh my goodness, Jesus, Lord have mercy. Holy cow.
What are we doing today? We're doing brakes. Okay,
brakes, rotors, pads, brake lines, fluid.
Okay.
Mike's here.
Yeah, so this is Mike.
What's up?
I've done some work with Mike before in this car, so it's he's back for more stuff. He won a raffle for DBA Rotors. What kind of brake lines?
Stoptech lines and hawk pads.
And then Motul brake fluid, because we're gonna change the lines, obviously, put new fluid in it.
Oh, let me see. Nice.
And then you've got hawk pads. I'm assuming these are what? These aren't HPS, these are PCs, Performance Ceramics. Okay. And looks like
squeal a little bit, huh?
You got new lug nuts. Here's the brake lines.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna do all that. I hate breathing brakes, but let's do it.
Alright guys, John is putting on the brake pads.
Still,
he is struggling. So we took this opportunity to have a quick interview with Mike. He's going to talk about what he has done on the car, what the future plans are, and everything else. Alright man, let's start with what you have done to the car so far.
Alright, so it's 2017. I bought it brand new from Cruise. Pretty much immediately came up here and had John put TGV and EGR deletes on it, then I got it e-tuned.
Alright.
So then we actually had Charleston Super Club Dyno Day. That was kind of fun. And it was like 230 horsepower, 270 torque, something like that.
Yeah, just to cut in there, that's a Mustang. That's a Mustang dyno.
Yeah.
So people who are watching this, the numbers may look seem low, but they're actually on a Mustang dyno. So add like probably 30 horsepower for Dynojet numbers.
Perfect. I like that.
Yeah.
And then a little while later, came back and got Cobb catted down pipe, Grimspeed intercooler, Grimspeed charge pipe, and then a Matt Collins tune, and now it's right around 300. Same dyno, same Mustang and everything.
So you picked up what, 70 wheel horsepower?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
A couple more bolt-ons, and then we're probably gonna look at in the future. I don't know. I might be done performance-wise. Just super happy with the tune and everything, and how much power it's putting down. Super useful for a daily driver. I mean, I drive like a grandma anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Hey, no corn in your future?
I mean, maybe. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Depends when I want to
Stay tuned.
just blow this thing up or not.
Yeah.
But yeah.
All right, the other side didn't go well at all. I've already talked about these. These are bent in this fashion, and they have to go through the hole, and then when you get them through the hole, they expand back. So to get these out, I just bent them and get them the heck out of the way. Here's what new ones look like. So they have to go in the hole, and then they go boop and expand back. So the other side took 45 minutes for brake pads.
I think so.
I think I'm gonna quit cars now, because that's the longest brake pads I've ever taken me. Anyway, we looked up something online. We're gonna try another method, which, I mean, these brakes traditionally can fold down, so this isn't abnormal, even though this doesn't help me because the brake line's connected to it. So looks like I'm also undoing the bottom. But anyway, I think I'm gonna slide the brake pads in this method instead of trying to slide them in with the entire thing removed. So we'll leave the caliper bracket on the car, and we'll take the actual caliper off. click these in and go boop. See if it works.
Hopefully this works better.
Yeah, and hopefully if it does, then
if it doesn't,
we'll buy more beer and we'll keep going.
If it doesn't, are you just gonna give up on cars and
yeah, if
go
I can't get this, I'm
commercial?
done. I'm just gonna burn the car. Actually, no, you just take your car before I burn it. Yep.
And John is just gonna do hair commercials, guys.
Yep.
For shampoos and whatnot.
I'm gonna switch to Herbal Essence commercials. That's really been my true passion this whole time.
I knew it.
Yeah. So this is probably going to be 350 times easier, although this isn't generally how I do them. I try to take them off all at once. Well, let me rephrase. If I wasn't taking the rotors off to replace them, and the rotors were staying on, this is how I would do it, because it's way faster. But since the brakes had to come off and the rotors, I just took the whole thing off, stuck the pads in, stuck the rotor on, and put it back. This way I have to put the rotor on, put the caliper bracket back, then unbolt the other half of it and take it right back off. It just seems like you're like doing to undo.
Yeah.
So you're taking a step backwards.
It's an interesting process, but I guess if it works.
Yeah. So, all right. So new pads. Let's do a little splooge on both of these. Boop, boop, boop. Sound effects. Beep. Beep. Put that right there. Here's the other one. Mike, do you have any use for the other grease packet? You gonna...
No.
Okay. Excellent.
It's
funny because I think I have one thing of grease from like everyone's installs that I've ever done. Yeah, I do, and I've used them. Someone's like, "Oh, I brought them." I'm like, "Ah, no, I already got an open one. We'll just use that." I've said it once, I'll say it again. Not my favorite brakes to do. Was that easier?
Significantly.
Significantly easier.
Yes, I agree. The whole side.
Still weird. Still extremely weird to me because the pads are wanting to run away from you as you're trying to put this thing on, but heck,
I guess it's almost like a spring load.
Yeah, it's meant to push the pads back out.
Right.
So you let off the brake, they don't drag.
Yep.
But every brake's got a little different of a design, and this has so far been my least favorite.
Cool. I learned something.
I guess so.
Alright, after a lot of pain and suffering, figuring out from the front, what is the pads?
Honestly, dude, the hardest part today was that stupid brake pad. I don't think I've experienced something quite like that before, but first time for everything.
So the key is
the brake bleeding was
take the rotor off, put the new rotor on, put the caliper on, and remove the...
Put the caliper on, and then just take off the caliper itself. Leave the bracket there.
Yeah.
That's a special process, but it did make it a hair easier, not gonna lie.
Go for a ride. We're finally done with the install. The shittiest part is Mike is driving.
Let me know how brakes
John's
feel.
in the back.
Yeah.
Already way tighter.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's what I like to hear.
That's
I don't
awesome.
know what they felt like before.
We also picked mushy.
A what?
Very mushy.
Mushy, but better? That's weird. What do you mean?
No, they were mushy. Now
they
they're
were. Oh,
crisp.
I was like,
There's actually some bite to them.
I was gonna say, they can't be both.
No.
Oh my goodness, Jesus, Lord have mercy. Holy cow. Alright, I guess that's it for this video.
Yeah.
Give us a like, subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for bringing it over, dude.
Yeah, thanks for giving us the opportunity to work on this beautiful car of yours. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next project. Feed the addiction with Project Cars. Peace out.
See ya.